I better capture my reaction. Yo, this is so cool. Guys, so I figured out a way to capture what I'm looking at through the Xreal Air 2 Pros so you guys can kind of, to showcase. I didn't know this when I was doing my tutorial, and wow, this is awesome, man. So now you can really see the scale if you've never seen or experienced what this can do. So for example, I could zoom out like that. You guys should be able to see what I'm seeing. And then you can get so close, as you can see. And then when we change the angle, I'm saying, you can just like, yeah, the quality is really good when you're close. You feel what I'm saying? I may not be able to, but for me, I like the angle right around that 153, 144. And then the distance, obviously, you set it where you like, but for me, I think this is, for what I'm trying to do right now, this is a good angle. That's so freaking dope. So that's the Xreal Airs. I just wanted to capture my reaction of me figuring out that you could do this. There's so many, the amount of use cases you can do with this is unbelievable. And then I know I have my screen on right now, but I could just turn that off so that it doesn't distract on camera. So, and then I could reset it so the screen is up here. You see what I'm saying? So if you want to reset it, you click that and you can choose between the monitors. Now the problem, I noticed that on the Windows version that you can have an option where it bends over, so it curves like that. It curves like on the immersive. I don't know if you guys I might do a video on that on the Quest 3. The immersive app is amazing. So I feel like if they had that option for us, that would be really, really awesome. But for whatever reason, we don't have it yet. So on the Mac, that is. So I'm stuck on these options here, which is bare minimum, which is weird because they had the Mac app first before they created the Windows one, right? Or am I tripping? That doesn't make sense. I think it's possible they had the Windows one first before they actually had the Mac one, because of the bare minimum capabilities compared to that of the Windows. So I think this is pretty cool, man. Again, I like it, man. I've been using it a lot. I've been using it again, but yesterday I took a break and I went back to the Quest, and my goodness, the difference was unbelievable. The quality in the immersive, inside of the immersive experience with you can get up to 5 monitors and set it up giant. The quality, and it feels the way I don't know if it's the field of view that gives it that effect. I'm trying to figure out what is that exactly. You're saying, I don't know how to explain it, but when I make my video on it, I might do it later today, and I will try to explain or try to figure out, and I'll go back and forth. And when I edit the video, I'll put this here to talk about that section. I don't know what it is. Like, this is cool and it feels dope. It's a different type of experience. It's a different type of experience. That's the only way I can describe it. You can't compare it because when you're in that space, the screen could be so big and right in front of you that you feel like you're inside the screen. It's just, dog, I don't know how to explain it, man, but it's dope as hell to me. And then when I'm in this one, when I put these glasses on, it's different. It feels different. You feel me? Like, it's not like your regular thing. You know what I'm saying? It's different. I don't know how to explain it. It's different. And then I could look off into nothing. Obviously, there's no pass through because there's no camera on it. So if I go out here, for example, now now I can see everything in front of me, even though I'm in this dark space. But I don't think you guys does it show? That wouldn't make any sense. Let me see. It would just be showing black, right? I can't see that at the same time. But I like just like that. Man, that feature is so awesome. Wow, the difference it makes is unbelievable. And I can still see everything so well, even though it's passed through. But I'm gonna cover it up. And then the shade just works, bro. It just works. Of course, if I wanted to make it even darker, I can add the thing on top of it. But it's so quiet. There's no sound to it. Do you guys know the amount of tech that you guys put into this product is amazing, man. This is really worth the price. I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest $500 I ever spent on glasses. Like this is so much. This is so worth it. I can see. I love this, man. When I went into Walmart yesterday and I plugged into the iPhone 15 because I don't have an iPhone 15, and finally found some videos because I was kind of limited on what I could do because obviously those were demo models. I finally found some videos and I was playing it, and man, it was so dope to be that experience was just like, I can justify having this around, but you would definitely have to have a good case. And they knew that because they know Xreal knows you're not going to be using this all the time, stuff like that. It's going to not replace your monitor, but it's nice to have when you do need it. You know what I'm saying? And even like I said, I've been using this almost every day, if not damn near all day for hours. And even though there's still those text effects or the glowing thing, when I zoom in like this, bro, it's cool, man. It works, right? I could see everything. I get it. You know what I'm saying? I could see everything. I'm saying you could set it again. Yep. You could set it how you want to set it. But there's this glowing effect that's on it. I don't know if it's going to capture properly on camera. There's these glow effects that are on the text that when it's not this close, it affects, it just messes with my eyes. It messes with my eyes, and I don't know, man. I don't like that very much. You feel me? And I feel like, but the video, for example, me in the background, that looks good. Video content looks really good. Video quality of things look good. The text even looks good. It's just that right there, but the glowing effect, the glow behind it, that it almost wants to be double. There's a halo effect. That's what I'm talking about. When that gets figured out, this would be killer. Because that's one of the big differences. Again, I know they're two different products, but when I was on the Quest using it with the text was so crisp, it's just light and day. Somebody had commented on my last video and said, man, I'm not blind, bro. It's just a big difference. I'm saying so, but other than that, again, it's still worth it. 100%. It's still worth it. I was in the middle of doing something. I was trying to find a display and I was looking for which one is which. This is the third one. Oh, and I'm glad I brought this up. This monitor right here comes up when you swipe up on your Mac like that. And it messes, I don't know, can y'all see that? You're not gonna be able to see this on camera. Why? Because of the fact that, what did I do? When I set up the capture, it shows up with both left and right. So I had to crop out one side because that's just weird. Since, the monitors, you have monitors on both eyes, and your brain it's using technology and your brain combination to trick your mind to see one thing. But you can offset that by swiping up. Right now, the first time I did it, it messed up my eyes completely. Now I know what to expect, but it's still messing up my eyes. This is weird. You might experience that. I don't know how this is done on the Windows, but on the Mac, but this is that window. It goes into this and it separates your eyes left and right. It gives it its own window with everything duplicated. It looks so weird. I think that's the other lenses. 1 second, I'll be right back. I'm excited. Let's go. Not what I thought it was, but I'm expecting the other lenses that I ordered today because I wanted to pair. I'm in love with this technology, man. This is new to me. You feel me? Oh, this is very new to me. I can't say it enough. So, this is cool technology. I'm shocked that I'm just now hearing about this. How am I just now hearing about this product in 2024? This stuff has been around for years, bruh. I would have had this, like, without a doubt. Without a doubt. Let's go watch a video that's not gonna get claimed.
Yeah, shoot. Blood diamonds glisten, gun flash like paparazzi lights. I slide with my ice and keep the sticks. I don't hockey fight. Let that bitch sing in front of your friends and karaoke nights. You pointing out the mouth of you snake niggas over bites.
When this beef.
Niggas bucking teeth like silver bite. Bullets touch a Vader, come through the screen like the poltergeist. They call me so polite, cause they know my flow is
super nice. Cause I own the knife. Waist. Move. What this forecast.
Shots hit your jaw from your full beard.
Little toe Ooh.
Don't ask, destroy your notepad.
Oh shit. So bad. Toe tags.
Trying to wrestle to get their soul back.
Bang into his ribs, the side burned like lamb chop. Brass on the right, you gon' eat the knuckles like
lamb chops.
Open wound like trauma, you'll be bleeding till there's nothing.
Then you come here with something. Bluffing.
Oh God, I've been the bombs. I just needed y'all can bust.
Boom.
Black spoons getting heated with my substance. I'm dope. I've been hustling.
From out the oven.
Went from the tummy aches, now trying to face me's a
Smash.
hard body, can't the body say they smoking
Zigzag.
Pull up and sit up on niggas. Don't get your
Wait.
whack. I hope it works out for you bitches.
Don't get your bitch. Ooh, that's hard. And that was such a dope experience. I edited that video too, by the way, if you didn't know. But see what I mean? This is cool, man. I'm effing with this. I'm saying, so the only thing now for me, this is, oh my goodness, just for this alone, this is perfect. This is dope. I don't know what to say. This is awesome.